They say yawning is contagious, but is that actually true? So, the Mythbusters ran a full experiment to find out. First, they put volunteers in a quiet room. No reading, no talking, 10 full minutes, and not a single yawn. Then they spiced things up with some tax law reading, and boom, yawns started popping off like dominoes. One woman alone yawned 8.5 times. But could someone make others yawn on purpose? They tried seeding yawns, having someone yawn in front of participants to see if it would spread. At first, nothing. No real reaction. So they took the experiment to a flea market, testing 50 people in a specially built yawning chamber. Some got no stimulus. Others got a subtle yawn from the host. The result? 25% of the control group yawned naturally. But with a seeded yawn, it jumped to 29%. It's not a huge jump, but with their biggest sample ever, the Mythbusters agreed. Yawning really is contagious. Myth confirmed.